Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to send a message using Medesync directly to your patient portal. In order to do so, you'll first need to log into Medesync and click the mail icon in the address bar. Then click New Message and make sure you select Portal Users if you'd like to send an email to one of your patients. Enter the name of the patient you'd like to send an email to, as well as a subject. For example, labs are normal. Enter a detailed message. And hit send if you'd like to send the message. Please note that these are one-way message only. Your patient will not be able to reply. So it's a really safe way of just sending a quick notification to your patient without having to worry about the receiving of all those incoming emails. So it's a one-way email only. It's a no reply email. So once you've clicked send, a message was sent to patient Nicola Corbo using the patient portal. So when a patient logs into his portal, the first thing you'll see is a dashboard. And one of the tile on the dashboard says recent messages, and it says, hello there, all labs are normal. The other thing you'll notice on the top right corner is an inbox. And if I click on my inbox, I'm able to see all messages that were sent to me. I can click on the message to view a detailed view of that message. For example, if there's a lengthy message, you're able to click and see all the message. So this is really a quick tutorial on how to send a one-way message using the Medesync inbox to your Medesync patient portal. And it's a one-way message, so there's no worries whatsoever to get all those messages back to your Medesync from your patients. It's a really safe way of telling, for example, all labs are normal to your patient.